Joining data sources in Looker eliminates the need for spaghetti queries, those tangled ad hoc joins that slow performance and cause errors. In LookML, relationships between tables are defined once and reused everywhere. Each join specifies how datasets connect by customer ID, order number, or other shared keys, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. This reusable structure prevents duplicate logic across reports and enforces consistency in calculations. For instance, sales and product tables can be linked centrally, so analysts never have to remember the correct join condition. By abstracting these relationships, Looker makes complex, multi-source analysis simple, reliable, and fast, freeing analysts from repetitive query building. Permissions in Looker operate at multiple layers: model, content, and data. Model permissions control who can edit LookML code or create new explores. Content permissions manage who can view, edit, or share dashboards and looks. Data permissions restrict what rows or fields a user can access, often enforced through row-level security policies. Together, these layers protect sensitive data while maintaining open collaboration. For instance, an executive might see full company revenue, while a regional manager views only their territory. Permissions are not static. They evolve with organizational roles and compliance needs. Looker's integrated security model ensures that every user's view of data matches their responsibility and authority. A look in Looker is an ad hoc analysis, a saved query with visualization and filters that capture a specific insight. Creating a look involves choosing an explore, selecting dimensions and measures, applying filters, and formatting results. Looks can be simple tables or complex visualizations, depending on the question at hand. For example, a finance analyst might build a look showing monthly revenue by region and product category. Once saved, a look can be shared directly or added to dashboards. They act as modular, reusable components that evolve into standardized analytics over time. Building looks teaches users the structure of data while letting them experiment safely within governed definitions. Dashboards combine multiple looks into a cohesive story. Each tile represents a visualization or metric, while global filters allow viewers to adjust scope without rebuilding queries. Drill paths enable deeper exploration, letting users click on a metric to see underlying details. A well-designed dashboard provides clarity, not clutter. For example, a sales dashboard might include revenue trends, conversion rates, and customer acquisition costs, each linked for detailed investigation. Dashboards transform static data into dynamic interaction, helping leaders move from summary to specifics instantly. When built on governed data models, they become trusted tools for monitoring performance and aligning teams. Scheduling, delivery, and alerts make insights operational. Looker can automatically deliver reports or dashboards via email, messaging tools, or external destinations at set intervals. Alerts trigger when metrics cross defined thresholds, ensuring issues are caught early. For instance, an alert might notify a support team when ticket volumes exceed a certain level. Scheduled delivery ensures consistency. Reports arrive daily, weekly, or monthly without manual effort. These automations turn analytics into action, ensuring decision-makers receive timely, relevant information. Governance ensures that delivery respects permissions, so only authorized users receive sensitive content. Automation extends analytics' reach beyond dashboards to the rhythm of business operations. Version control and development workflow in Looker keep analytics organized and safe. Each LookML project uses Git integration, allowing developers to branch, test, and merge changes with full history tracking. This process mirrors software engineering best practices, reducing risk of errors and maintaining reproducibility. For example, a new metric can be developed and validated in a sandbox before being merged into production. Peer review and testing ensure consistent quality. Version control fosters collaboration. Multiple developers can improve the same model without overriding each other's work. It transforms analytics development from ad hoc adjustments into a disciplined, auditable process aligned with governance standards. Performance tuning and caching help Looker deliver results quickly, even with large datasets. Caching stores query results for reuse, reducing load on databases and speeding response times for frequent queries. Developers can optimize explore structures by pruning unnecessary joins, simplifying calculations, or using aggregate tables. For example, daily sales summaries can pre-aggregate data that would otherwise require scanning millions of rows. Tuning involves balancing freshness and speed. How often cached results refresh depends on how dynamic the data is. Performance optimization turns Looker into a responsive experience that keeps pace with decision-makers' expectations while maintaining accuracy and scalability. Looker's API integrations and extensions expand its capabilities beyond dashboards. Looker's API integrations and extensions expand its capabilities beyond dashboards. Developers can embed analytics into custom applications, automate reporting pipelines, or integrate with workflow tools like Slack and Google Sheets. The API allows programmatic control over queries, users, and schedules, bringing analytics closer to daily operations. Extensions, built with Looker's framework, let organizations design tailored interfaces for specific roles or processes. For instance, a supply chain team might use a custom app that surfaces live inventory metrics directly within their management tool. These integrations transform Looker from a standalone platform into an analytics ecosystem that interacts seamlessly with the broader business environment. Governance ensures that Looker content remains accurate, relevant, and secure throughout its lifecycle. Content review processes validate the dashboards and looks align with approved definitions before publication. Regular audits remove outdated reports, reducing clutter and confusion. Governance policies define naming standards, review cycles, and ownership responsibilities. For example, marketing might review campaign dashboards quarterly to ensure metrics reflect current goals. Proper governance sustains trust in analytics, preventing the erosion of confidence that occurs when old or inconsistent content lingers. Governance in Looker is not restrictive, it's protective, ensuring that data-driven decisions remain sound and defensible over time. Looker brings consistency and speed to analytics by combining centralized modeling with flexible exploration. It empowers users to create insights confidently, knowing that every metric stems from governed definitions. Dashboards, alerts, and automations deliver continuous awareness, while version control and governance maintain trust. Looker's model-driven foundation transforms analytics from a patchwork of reports into a unified system of truth. When organizations embrace its principles fully, decision-making becomes faster, collaboration becomes easier, and insights become repeatable. The result is an analytical culture where every report, question, and visualization speaks the same language: accurate, reliable, and aligned with business intent. Thanks for listening. For more audio courses, daily newsletters, and more, please visit BareMetalCyber.com.